Even if you've been living under a rock, you still probably heard that Avengers Endgame came out recently. To celebrate the movie's premiere, Oppo thought it would be fitting to give its F11 Pro a superhero makeover. We've got the device in hand to see what separates it from the regular version. Let's see what you get with the Avengers limited edition Oppo F11 Pro. Right off the bat, you notice the large black box and its sleek design. Inside, the first thing you're greeted with is a collection certificate, which houses a limited edition Avengers badge. It's got some heft and will make a fine addition to any Marvel fan's collection. Tucked below it is the phone, wrapped in its protective plastic. Below that, we see the 20-watt VOOC fast charger, a micro USB cable straight from 2009, and a pair of wired earbuds. The nicest part of the packaging is without a doubt this faux leather case. It has a super nice texture, both on the front and back, and a built-in Captain America shield which serves as a ring holder. You can slide your finger through it for better grip, or use it as a kickstand when watching videos. Looking at the front of the device, you wouldn't guess it's a special edition phone, but once you turn it over, the bold Avengers logo immediately catches your eye. It's one of the nicest looking phones we had at the office. We really like the shifting blue tint, which Oppo calls space blue. Oppo really paid attention to the small details, such as the hexagon pattern on the back, the tiny Avengers logos above the cameras, and the red accent on the power button. While the phone features a plastic build, it certainly doesn't feel cheap and could easily pass as glass in our books. It's kinda heavy and thick, but that's okay. The screen is a 6.5-inch IPS panel with Full HD resolution and minimal bezels. Watching videos and playing games on this phone is a real treat. The motorized selfie cam is a nice workaround to the notch, and is fast enough to use every day with Face Unlock. Software-wise, we're looking at a standard build of Oppo's ColorOS 6 on top of Android 9. The only bonus is that you get special Avengers wallpapers on the home and lock screens. The main cam is a 48 megapixel sensor, and alongside it is a 5 megapixel depth sensor. The Duo offered great details and accurate colors in our time with the regular F11 Pro, so we expect similar results this time around. The phone comes with the Helio P70 processor, which offered balanced performance in our tests. The 4000 mAh battery didn't disappoint either. It scored an excellent 109-hour endurance rating in our proprietary tests. You'll have to live with micro USB for charging, but speeds were excellent thanks to Oppo's VOOC fast charger. Another nice touch is the inclusion of the headphone jack. The phone comes with 128 gigs of storage, and there's a micro SD slot for those who need more. The only sad part is that even if you're a Marvel superfan, you can't buy the phone right now due to its limited release run. Oppo did mention that it plans to restock it at some point, but only as an offline exclusive. So that's it for this quick hands-on of the Avengers F11 Pro. Let us know what you think about it in the comments, and stay tuned for more.